Hi everybody, Paul here again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust a water well pump pressure switch. Right now the blue tank that you're looking at is my water well pressure tank. This is where the water from the well pump is sent to and stored. In order for the well pump to properly fill the pressure tank with water, it relies on what's called a pressure switch, which will usually be located by the pressure tank. Here's the pressure tank. And here's the pressure switch. The pressure switch is what turns the well pump on and off. These pressure switches come in 3 different PSI pressure ranges: 20 to 40, 30 to 50, and 40 to 60. This one happens to be a 40 to 60. So the question is, how do you know what the pressure range is on your specific pressure switch? The answer is simple. It'll be shown on the inside of the pressure switch cover. Before removing the cover, first turn off the power to the pressure switch. A lot of these pressure switches, including this one, are wired with 220 volts, which is extremely dangerous. If you're electrocuted with 220 volts, you could die. So be sure to keep children and pets away from the area as well. If you're not comfortable doing this, then you'll need to hire someone. To remove the cover, loosen this nut counterclockwise and then lift the cover straight up. Here's the inside of the cover. As you can see, it says 40 psi on and 60 psi off. So when this particular switch is adjusted to the proper settings, the well pump will turn on at 40 psi and turn off at 60 psi. So here's how to adjust the pressure. You'll notice that the pressure switch has 2 adjustment nuts. This is nut number 1 and this is nut number 2. Turning nut number 1 clockwise will raise the pressure of when the well pump turns on and starts filling the pressure tank. Turning nut number 2 clockwise will raise the pressure of when the well pump turns off and stops filling the pressure tank. When adjusting the pressure, first adjust nut number 1 and then adjust nut number 2. I found that turning either nut 1 complete turn clockwise or counterclockwise will change the pressure by approximately 1 pound. For safety reasons, so no one is accidentally electrocuted, turn the power off to the pressure switch before making any adjustments. After each adjustment, turn the power back on and run the water to check the system operation by watching the pressure gauge. The pressure switch adjustment nuts can be adjusted with any kind of small wrench, but what'll really make the job easy and go a lot faster is to use a ratchet with a deep socket. After making some adjustments, my pressure switch is now set at 40 and 60 psi. Watch the pressure gauge as the well pump turns on and starts filling the pressure tank, and then as the well pump turns off and stops filling the pressure tank. You'll also hear an audible click both when the well pump turns on and when it turns off. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wait.